Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right.
Hi friends. Okay, so the foundation that I have on my face right now, this base is actually going to be in another video, a foundation review, so you'll see that next week. But for today, I'm going to be doing the Physicians Formula Rose All Day and Exteriorglam collection. So this is a really beautiful palette. They have eyeshadow, and then blush and highlight, as well as a lipstick and a perfume, which is awesome. I love when they include these. I have like a million of their little butter perfumes that came in their butter collections because I love them so much. But this is a perfume of their Rose All Day scent, which is really yummy. I like the smell. And then, yeah, they have all these little eyeshadows here and the blush and the highlight. So I'm really excited to put this on my face today and let you guys know how it wears and how it looks. And we're gonna do a really pretty look. I'm really excited. And thank you, Physicians Formula, for sponsoring this video. You guys know they're one of my brand partners and they are one of my favorite brands, period. I love them before we were able to partner, and it's amazing that my job allows me to be able to create content with them. So thank you guys so much, and thank you guys for supporting my partners on this channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to Physicians Formula and Exteriorglam Rose All Day collection. So to start, I'm gonna put on this blush color. It's Aaliyah, I believe is what it's called. And it's this really beautiful, like peachy coral color. Now, I'm a little concerned this gold highlighter is going to be too dark for my skin, but it's in the box, so we're going to try it out. It's called Freshly Picked. It's a little bit darker. There's a slight cast when I turn my head, but it's not terrible. Guys, I tried to fix this eyebrow and I used a color that dried orange. So we're just gonna ignore it because I can't fix it. Okay, that's really pretty on my face. All right, let's move on to eyes, man. So to start, I'm actually gonna take this Tati Beauty shade first, Aura, and just put it all over my lid. Also, you're gonna see this exact same outfit and hair in next week's video. Because some people change their outfits to make it look like they're not filming 2 videos in one day. I'm not that person. Okay, now that my base is down, let's go into this. So I'm going to start with the shade Te Dua. And put that in my crease. They look super pigmented.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through.
That looks really pretty and it built up really nice in my eye. Okay, next I am going to go in with this shade Poppin'. It's just really nice dark wine shade. It's looking really nice. So I'm leaving the middle just a little bit lighter because I'm going to be putting a metallic shade in there. This is our original brush. I'm not putting anything new on it, but I just want to buff everything in together. Then I'm going to take my finger and dip into champagne. And just pop it right in the center. So pretty. All right, so now they have this pretty blue shade at the bottom called Rich that I want to put on my lower lash line. So I'm going to take a little brush, put in that blue, and so pretty, but so much fallout. Just got right in my eyeball. I'm filming this on Valentine's Day, so I hope my husband likes a really dramatic smoky eye. That's really pretty. It's like a shimmery navy with like purple and light blue sparkles. It does have a lot of fallout though, so I kind of have sparkles all over my face now and also in my eyeball. That's really pretty. For my inner corner, I'm going to do the highlight shade that we put on my cheeks. I'm going to line my waterline with this gold shade that kind of matches that highlight shade from Urban Decay. Alright, and I'm going to throw a mascara on. That is so pretty. Okay, so for lips, they include one of their Rosé All Day or Rosé Kiss All Day velvet lip colors in Kiss Me. Some super pretty peach. I'm going to top that with my ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Rain, just to darken it just a little bit because the peach is pretty bright with this eye look. That made it the perfect color. Okay. Where's my face spray? Okay. Alright guys, that's the final look for my Physicians Formula Rosé All Day and Exteriorglam collection. I think that the shadows were really pigmented and really beautiful. That blue shade is super unique. I don't think I have anything like it in my collection. And that deep wine red is just such a true like dark red. It's not plummy, it's not brown, it's like a true dark red. And again, I don't think I have anything like those two colors in my collection, and I have a lot of eyeshadow, so that's saying a lot. I love that peachy blush shade. That'll be so pretty on like no makeup days in the summer. I think this lip color is fantastic. I am obsessed with these little lip crayons that they've come out with. I want to collect them all. And I think this highlighter, while it's a little bit deeper than I usually like, I think it looks amazing as an eyeshadow, so I can definitely use it as that. It's a great travel palette because it's got a blush, a highlight, your eyeshadows, your lip color, a perfume. So it's just really nice. On the back, it kind of shows you some other different eye looks that you can do. And I think that it's an awesome little collection. So if you're looking for something like this, it's great for Valentine's Day, which is when I'm doing it. But you know, there are lots of other occasions that you can wear these shades with. And I think they're unique to the Physicians Formula collection, and they're unique to a lot of other eyeshadow palettes out there. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments below, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Have an awesome rest of your week or weekend, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!